Hi, I'm Mr. Van Silmeren. I'm one of the science teachers here at Faribault High School, and I'm going to talk to you today about different pathways that science courses are found in and what we have to offer from the science department. The basic path you follow in the sciences is you start with 9th grade science, that's a required course, and then you move on in 10th grade to taking biology. Your junior year, you'll get the choice of taking either chemistry or physics. One of those is required to fulfill the graduation requirement. We also offer as a department 4 different college credit-bearing classes. We have 2 AP classes, AP Biology, which is a second-year biology class, and AP Chemistry, which is a second-year chemistry class. Additionally, there's a college in the school's physics class that's concurrent enrollment for physics credit, and another anatomy and physiology class that earns credit through the University of Minnesota. The science courses we offer are found in a few different pathways here at the high school. We have a lot in the agriculture pathway, as well as in the engineering and manufacturing pathway. But we also offer a healthcare sciences pathway in conjunction with South Central College. This pathway, you start with some introductory courses here at the high school, namely Healthcare Core Foundations, which is just an introductory course to the overall healthcare field, and a medical terminology course. After the completion of those, you slide into the South Central programming, where you can explore 4 different options for your healthcare career, including healthcare coordinator, phlebotomy, nursing, and medical assisting. There are also elective courses within the science department. A few just to point out is fish biology and taxidermy. That also fits well into the agriculture pathway, as well as wildlife field biology, more of a hands-on experience in which you work closely with Riverbend to do some field biology. There's also introduction to astronomy course and a space exploration course if outer space is more of an interest to you. If these classes or courses sound interesting to you or you're interested in science, please just talk to your counselor and get registered for some science classes here at FHS.